Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to change your time zone on your iPhone. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to open up our settings, the settings of our phone, then scroll down to General, tap on that, and then scroll down until you find Date and Time. And here in Date and Time, you have the time zone. So for me it's set automatically. You can do it also for yourself if you press this set automatically toggle. But if you want to change it for yourself, you can just disable the set automatically option, press on time zone, and select the time zone that you need. So for example, let's do just Spain, like one of these, Barcelona, Spain. There we go, the time zone has now been changed, and that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.